Hi, everybody. My name is Simon Hardie. I'm the co-founder of Findexable and the Global Fintech Index. And here with me today is Mr. Elliott Limb over in Amsterdam, the Chief Customer Officer at Mambu. Hi, Elliott. How are you doing?
Hi, Simon. Really good, thank you. The sun's shining and it's suddenly summer, so things are looking good.
Excellent. Good. Has the pandemic, what has it done in terms of making the business case for fintech firms, and how different is it building and scaling a fintech company to a more traditional incumbent style financial services operation?
Pros and cons on both sides. So I think it's very different. So I think that the pandemic certainly, as I say, has driven forward the agility, the different ways of thinking, and trying to drive different attitudes, different working styles. If you take an example of something that a modern fintech in the pandemic is capable of, there's been changing regulations around the world. Example that comes to mind, India changed the regulation so it would give payment holidays on interest to people because of the pandemic to fuel financial stimulus, etc. As a modern fintech and the way this operates, we're agile enough to be able to build those changes into the system in a matter of days. We're allowed to, we are capable of driving new business, to drive new customers into new products, new segmentations, new markets. Whereas with a older vertical type player, one of the more monolithical systems, they rely a lot on PS. They rely on people being on site. They rely a lot more on being in data centers, being with the customer. We've done all of that remotely. And I think that's put us in a really nice way to drive the agility. I think it's also, if you look at not just the vendor side, look at the bank side. So if you look at the way that banks have thought about things, having to suddenly work from home, work remotely, if you're running the center operations for a large tier 1, tier 2 bank, that's very different to actually those low operation, low touch point, much more high tech positions you have without that operational intersection with a lot of the neobanks, a lot of the challenges. So I think anybody who has driven more digital, be it on the bank side, the vendor side, and has that agility and the ability to really sort of look at the market, that mindset has helped people, as well as obviously the process and the tech behind it.